I'm here with Tim Collins, and today he's going to demonstrate trap bar deadlift technique. We like using the trap bar because it helps us with educating young athletes on how to do the correct technique without as much risk of injury. It's also a great way to develop hip strength and power to make you successful on the baseball field. With deadlift technique, you want to make sure to keep your weight back on your heels, and that's why a shoe like the Minimus can be great. It allows us to push through our heels and really activate our hamstrings and our glutes to lift the weight. From the front, we should always be able to see the logo on your shirt. That's a way to ensure that your lower back and your upper back aren't rounding over and putting you in a bad position that may potentially injure you. So make sure to keep the low back nice and flat, slightly arched, and not rounded over as you lift the weight. Because deadlift variations are a little bit more technically advanced, we'll want to make sure that we do them first in our lower body strength training sessions. We'll usually shoot for 3 to 5 sets of anywhere from 3 to 6 repetitions.